The Wisconsin Supreme Court sets up a pair of lawsuits that could have a huge impact on national politics. Two panels of judges will each decide whether our congressional maps are unconstitutional. Sam Kramer is live in the newsroom, and tonight, Sam, break down these cases, the politics, the timing, and why we even need the panels.
Yeah, hi there, Kim. A 2011 law passed by then Governor Scott Walker requires that the state Supreme Court select a panel of 3 circuit court judges to hear challenges to congressional districts first. It does not limit who the court can pick. Tonight, Republicans who hold 6 of Wisconsin's 8 House seats say that the court selections were partisan, and a law professor tells me it really doesn't matter.
Two lawsuits share the same goal, just in different ways. The first argues Wisconsin's congressional maps are unconstitutional because they're gerrymandered to benefit Republicans. The second argues they produced an anti-competitive gerrymander.
These are blowout elections. They're not even close. They're not even contested at all. And whether they're districts that are won by Democrats or Republicans, they simply aren't competitive. And so the voters don't really have a real choice in the matter.
Doug Poland with left-leaning Law Forward is representing plaintiffs on the second suit.
Ours is a nonpartisan claim. We may have Democrats who are unhappy with us for bringing this case.
The cases first brought in circuit court will now go before separate panels of 3 circuit court judges each. That drew the ire of Republicans Tuesday, including conservative Justice Annette Ziegler, because 5 of the 6 chosen endorsed liberal Justice Susan Crawford for Supreme Court last year. Governor Tony Evers appointed the other. Ziegler wrote in her dissenting opinion, quote, "Hand-picking circuit court judges to perform political maneuvering is unimaginable, yet my colleagues persist and appear to do this all in furtherance of delivering partisan political advantage to the Democratic Party." UW-Madison professor emeritus Howard Schwaber says conservatives have a point, but questions if it even matters.
These cases are going to go to the state Supreme Court. Nothing final is going to come out of the decisions of these panels. And so a certain amount of this is just show.
Now, to that last point, any decision the panel makes can be appealed upward to the state Supreme Court. That helps explain why Schwaber says he doesn't see this issue resolving itself by next November, when the balance of power in both houses of Congress is up for grabs yet again. Live in the newsroom, Sam Kramer, Fox 6 News.
All right, Sam, thanks for the update.